Guys, so today we will be flashing AirROM by the developer Aero. As you can see here, I'm currently on stock Samsung ROM but rooted, and I have Clockwork Mod recovery, and you will need to make sure that you have both of these items. Let's go.
So first off, we're gonna need to put our device in download mode. To do that, we're gonna power off the device. Alright, it's vibrated. So what you need to do is press the volume down button, the power button and the home button all at the same time. And as you can see here, we can go into download mode by pressing the volume up button, and we're in download mode right now. Now we're gonna move to the PC to flash the modem. Remember that you need to have the Samsung drivers installed and have Odin.
Now we're on the PC. This is the page of the ROM, which I will have in the description. You need to download two things from here. The first will be the modem, which we will flash right now, and the second thing would be the ROM itself. So first up here we will have the modem, and if you scroll down we will see the ROM, which is version 5.2. So now let's go on to open up Odin. Now I have it running on a virtual PC since I own a Mac, but this should work fine with a Windows 7. So first off, I will need to open up Odin. Now remember, you need to have the Samsung files needed so the Odin can detect the phone. I'm gonna run it as administrator. So now when I connect the phone, I should get a blue box, which means that the phone is recognized. I'm gonna connect it to Windows, and as you can see, well, it's a yellow box, but it's the same thing. This means that the phone is recognized. Then what we need to do is make sure auto reboot is ticked, and then click on phone, and then locate the file the folder that we saved the modem in. So here we can see that it's mg9 modem.tar, and make sure you don't unzip this because this is the file we need. So we're gonna click open, and we should just click start. Alright guys, so we just flashed the new modem successfully. Now you need to move the ROM into internal SD card. So I have already done that. Then what you need to do is to reboot into recovery. Alright, so we booted in recovery. Now what you need to do first is to wipe Data Factory Reset. This will delete all your apps. Then after that, what you will need to do is to wipe the cache and the download cache. Alright, then you go into install zip from SD card, choose the zip from SD card, and you need to locate where you saved the ROM. So I saved it in the ROM folder. Then we choose the ROM and we simply flash it. Now remember, flashing it could take some time, so just leave the phone for a couple of minutes until it flashes it and it boots up. Alright guys, the ROM just booted up and I went through the setup wizard. Now first thing you can notice is that the icons are changed into this bluish stock Android theme, and the same thing with the status bar, and it's not transparent anymore, but we can change those things. And we can also see that more things are seen inside the status bar in the notification center. So now we can go into settings to check that we flashed the ROM successfully, and we can see these very nice animations when entering and exiting the apps. So now here we can see that we are on AirROM version 5.2 and that the baseband is MG9. One of the main things you'll notice is the error ROM settings, and in here you can change some settings for the ROM, which is customizing the ROM. So we can here see that we have the battery select, which changes the battery icons while charging, and you can see that there are lots of them. We have the multi-window manager, which makes us add any app to the multi-window. Then we have the CSC select, so you can change the CSC to the country you are in. And the SPX works with only some kernels, so you need to flash a third-party kernel like Perseus kernel, for example. And maybe I'll do a tutorial on that. And then we have the Samsung secret codes, which are codes you can enter on the dialer to see more information about your device. Some more things is that you can reboot into recovery and download more from here instead of going to the 3-button setup. We also have the Viper for Android mod, which changes the sound of your device. And we have the CPU Spy Plus Expose Installer and DPI changer to change the DPI of the device, which can make it seem like a tablet instead of a phone. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and that this helped you. There will be more videos coming, so subscribe to this channel.